Dang it. Welcome to the Banana Kids.
Today we will be making pasta sauce. You will need kosher salt, Italian seasoning, black pepper, which we are not going to use today because I am sensitive to it, a white bean, which can be navy, Great Northern, or cannellini. I chose to do cannellini. You will need 2 of the white bean, whichever you choose, and you will need some tomato sauce. Now, Tyler will pour in the tomato sauce. Scrape, oh scrape, oh scrape. We are going to drain out the beans now. You'll have to use some kind of utensil to clean out the can at the end to get the rest of the beans. Now Tyler is also going to pour in the cannellini beans. 2 cans of them, remember.
Now Lucy will put the spices in.
The Italian seasoning, and you need 1 tablespoon. And I will now put in 1 teaspoon of salt, the kosher salt. And remember, you will do the pepper, and you will do 1/4 teaspoon. But since I am sensitive, we are not doing that. I'm going to blend it with our BlendTech blender again. And you can either do once for whole juice setting or twice for the sauces setting. I'm going to do twice for the sauces. I'm having pasta with the pasta sauce, and he is going to have bell peppers. You can have any vegetable you want with it, not just bell peppers. For example, cauliflower or cucumber or broccoli. My dad loves it with broccoli, or any other vegetable. So. Today I am here to make a correction for the pasta sauce video which you just watched. And look, the sauce is almost gone. Anyways, so we made a double batch as always, but we forgot to double the Italian seasoning, the kosher salt, and the black pepper, which we did not use. So the Italian seasoning would usually be 1 tablespoon, but then in the case of double batch would be 2 tablespoons. And the pepper, which would usually be 1/4 teaspoon, would be a 1/2 teaspoon. And then the salt would usually be 1 teaspoon, but is now going to be 2. So the thought I'd tell you that.